Right now, my butthole was puckered up. Let's go for an in-car cam of that. Save of the year by the 18 and me. This is the last 2 laps of a 55-lap race that went green the whole way. This is for third and fourth. Right now, I'm in fourth. He's in third. Let's get it in. Let's see. From my point of view, I thought he was trying to wreck me. That wasn't the case. Let's go back 1 lap. And white flag lap, and we were able to hold him off. Ended up getting a top 3 finish, and should probably be a pretty high split. I'm at 1400 and was 6 in the race, so I'm thinking around a 1450 split, maybe a 1400 split. But man, my heart sunk because I had 0x. 2 people wrecked me on purpose the other night and got me 28x, so I lost my A-class license. Now I'm back to B, so I'm trying to get back to A. I bought the tracks, and on a mission here at Dirty South Racing. Like I said, great save there. Best you're gonna see.